Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this factory certified 2020 GMC Yukon Denali SUV, which means your investment will be protected for years to come. On the outside of this Yukon, you'll find power and heated door mirrors, power running boards, lane departure technology, remote keyless entry, power liftgate, and rear backup camera. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated and power front seats, rear DVD entertainment system, power moonroof, wireless charging pad, heated steering wheel, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 GMC Yukon Denali has less than 35,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.